What's up, guys? Just wanted to share a little bit of information with you guys. Like I said, I'm not a professional mechanic. However, though, I do, tend to work on my own stuff if I can work on it. So earlier this week, last week, this car was giving me battery light issues, but I got the battery and alternator tested, and it ran good for a whole week. It started up and everything. However, though, after a few days ago, it sat there and it decided to die on me and everything. I got it tested. It was the alternator. So a lot of times we think it's the whole alternator that's going wrong, and honestly, it's really not. A lot of times it can be this right here. This little piece right here is called the voltage regulator. Now, this alternator is off of the engine that I do have in the garage and everything. It's not off of this one. However, though, this right here can be the reason why your alternator tests bad, because sometimes the voltage won't read. And look at how this is right here. Now, this is an aftermarket one. For real, I should have just got Bosch, but this voltage regulator, I had got this one last year with the alternator. I just never put it in because alternators come with their own voltage regulator. However, though, so if you see how this stands up right here, this has way more life in it than this one does. This one is barely touching anything. So with that being said, sometimes these will go bad. Now look at this. Sometimes these will go bad and they barely touch that surface right there that's supposed to touch or whatnot, because it's plunging down, and then when it does not, it's not even in there fully correctly, so my apologies. But right then and there, that will go bad. So sometimes it's not even the whole alternator. Sometimes it can be this. Now this is not a video showing you how to do it or saying, oh, this is the problem. I'm telling you, this can be an issue or whatnot. And honestly, I should have got OEM. I just didn't know at the time. I wasn't thinking about it. Like I said, I ordered this part last year. But definitely when you do get your alternator changed, look into that stuff, because a lot of times a lot of shops will tell you, oh, the alternator's bad, when it could just be, in fact, just this one little piece that's like $30, and you could wind up just getting it changed out, and then the alternator is still good. So with that being said, this is TOOCHIETOYZ, and I am out. Love y'all, and like I said, I'll always be uploading more content on here. Like and subscribe. And by the way, look at her. She is gorgeous. I love this car so much. And I love my 300 CE. I love her. So, talk to y'all later.